everyone, I'm Ankur
And I'm Mantos.
and we are going to start a small channel about how to cook food, Indian food for beginners.
For
We all-
vegetarians.
Yeah, so we all understand when you go out to America, to Germany, to UK, to Canada,
Any
especially
place outside of India.
vegetarian people,
Yes.
they really struggle with food. So we have tried to solve this problem by introducing some very simple recipes for people who have never been to kitchen. Trust us, we were just like you.
Yeah, I think I was worse than just beginners. I
Yeah.
was horrible. I
We're
would
really
say.
horrible. We are just based on Maggie.
Yes.
And now, yeah,
I took like 10 kg of Maggies with me when I was coming to Germany for the first time. I had like 10 kg of Maggie with me.
yeah, and I had a lot of ready to make.
Yes,
things.
exactly.
And these things are very unhealthy.
Yes.
In the long run, they're going to really harm you.
Yes.
So that's why,
It's
Let's-
always better to cook your own food.
yeah, it's
Uh,
cheap, really cheap, especially if you go out to eat. You spend like $5, €5 just for a meal, and you can eat worth €5, I think, 3-4 days in your home.
Yes, exactly.
So let's get started. So we'll start with the very simple aloo bhujia.
Yeah, the next
Yeah.
season.
The next, our next video is going to be on aloo bhujia. It's the easiest thing to make, and the best part is you don't need a lot of supervision. You just first of all you put potatoes to boiling, go to your room, come back after 20 minutes, and then another 10 minutes, and you're done.
Yeah,
And
we'll,
yeah.
yes. So we'll give recipe for such kind of food that would not be so hard to cook, and
Yeah, initially.
you would have a lot of time to do your things like study and everything, and you don't have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. That's the good point.
Yeah,
for-
that's the main whole goal, that you don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen.
yeah, that's our goal, and we hope that would be your goal too.
Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. See you guys.